Hey guys, welcome back to the video.
And then you better
the key to YouTuber next gen here. Back in the video, I am playing with texture packs. Hey,
me.
I can play. Guys. I can play 1.18.1, but I can't play 1.8. Anyways, yes, we're here with a man known as Ugly Duckling, the one and only disgrace to humanity that shouldn't exist.
Shut up. No, you.
No, you. Why is the fishing rod so realistic?
Shut up, I'm not doing anything suspicious. A suspicious stranger like you. I'm not a suspicious stranger.
Ash, I'm also on water.
Why just screaming?
Okay, I need to eat a apple. Get away from me.
Get over here. Get your piccolini there, boy. Bubble gum.
I have 2 buckets of water. Does PewDiePie
Why is my
make videos
aim so
anymore?
horribly
Does
good?
PewDiePie even make videos anymore?
I don't even know, bro.
I don't think he does. I haven't heard anything of PewDiePie in
He's
a
too
long
famous. I don't even like PewDiePie.
time. Me neither.
Bro, now you're gonna have hate comments for me saying that.
From my 2
Whoa.
subscribers.
Wait, dude, actually stop, dude. My mouse is just unplugged. And now bro, stop, my mouse unplugged.
Let me just attack you with a fishing rod. You like how I attacked you?
The fishing rod did 2 hearts again. The fishing rod did 2 hearts.
I'm just gonna hide.
That's cursed. The fishing rod did 2 hearts of damage.
Wait, why are A's hearts now? When I hit you, it shows that your hearts are little A's.
Hit your piccolini.
Gas. I want to step on the gas.
It's a scam. How is this 5-year-old kid beating me in Minecraft? It's a scam.
Because you're bad. I want to step on the gas.
You're cheating. Our 5-year-old downloaded hacks on his mom's computer.
But this is my own computer.
No, bro, you play on your mom's own. You comboed me so hard I died to fall damage. You comboed me so hard I died
it's because you placed the blocks that you took full damage from those hits. If you didn't place those blocks, you wouldn't have taken full damage.
Okay, but me just saying that, bro, you comboed me so hard that I died to fall damage.
I hit you twice. But like the thing is, if you didn't place those blocks, that you would have only taken like half a heart of full damage or something.
Reggie, you comboed me so hard that I died to fall damage.
Is this a scaffolding? I can't tell what this is. What?
Alright. So this is the moment of truth. If I win this, then you have to end the recording. So you better win.
Oh crap!
All you viewers, if the video suddenly ends, then you know like, why. And if the video is only like 5 minutes long, then you also know why. Yep. Alright, wait, one more try, because, yes.
Okay, guys, wait.
I said
William,
so.
don't kill me. William, don't kill me for a second. Okay, guys, you see how I have an auto-clicker here? I will literally remove it. That proves that I'm not going to use an auto-clicker. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
And if you still win, then I'm going to... Shut up. We are going again.
Okay, Okay,
Alright.
William, when I upload this video, you can see I'm not using an auto clicker.
Okay, but bro, if you win this, then I'm going to sue you for $13,000
Why?
for cheating in a video game tournament for $0.
What about cents? Is there any cents?
$0 and negative 2 cents. So if I win, then I have to give you 2 cents.
I want to rematch. I can't focus because I'm laughing.
Yeah, bro, but didn't you see that final double hit, bro? I knocked you back like 19,000 blocks.
Yeah. My stomach hurts due to me laughing.
Bro, you were straight up like.
Stop making me laugh. Stop cheating by making me laugh. Stop it!
Bro, you're flying.
You're auto-clicking.
Bro, I'm doing this with 6 CPS. I'm straight up doing this with 6 CPS and I'm winning. I'm doing this with 6 CPS and I'm winning. Bro, I'm laughing so hard that my CPS went down at like 7. No, but I'm still winning. I'm still winning. No.
Dude, the grip on my mats was crappy as hell earlier.
Bro, you're flying.
Stop! Wait, I want a refund because you're hacking. I want a rematch because you keep hacking.
Okay, but bro, I beat you, bro. I promise you. I was staring at my CPS like the half of that game. It kept on staying at 5 and going up to 6 CPS that whole entire game, bro. Bro, I'm comboing you with 5 CPS. How sad is that?
And I have 2 CPS.
As you guys can see, CPS does not matter. This man is probably auto-clicking with 14 trillion CPS.
You guys can see on my screen, I don't have an auto-clicker.
If I was recording and then I would send you my recording and then you would be able to put my point of view and of me on Lunar Client and it's saying that I have 5 CPS. I have this CPS counter thing and I'm literally comboing you with 5 CPS. Like if I was recording that I would zoom in on that.
If you can figure out how to.
William, would you stop squeaking?
That's my first thing.
No, it's not.
It is
Alright,
not. That's like you're a billionth time squeaking.
Exactly.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You've been squeaking all night.
No, I haven't. Oh, you're straight up flying.
Maybe
You
because
can't even touch the ground.
You're comboing me so hard I can't hit the ground.
Bro, your feet haven't touched the ground in 7 years.
So that means I took off into outer space at age 3.
Wow.
But you're about to squeak.
Why were you smacking the air while I was behind you? Bro, you were straight up standing on air. Oh, this is what you mean when you were said that you were in space for 7 years. You can't even touch the floor anymore.
Well, Jeff Bezos' child would be like, I went to space before I was even born. How about you?
Me, wait, Jeff Bezos' son. I wasn't even born before I wasn't born. How about you?
My game crashed. Wait, my game froze for like 5 years. William, you saw how I was like standing there? William, you saw how I was standing still? During
You
that
weren't
time.
standing still. You were still flying. You were still flying.
Yeah, but you saw how I
you were
stopped.
flying.
You saw how I stopped clicking.
Yeah, cause bro, I was still comboing you out of existence at the time, bro. I comboed you so hard to the point where when you froze, you were in midair.
I probably froze because you were comboing me so hard.
I comboed you out of existence.
Oh
Literally.
no, I'm gonna die.
All right, bro. I'm gonna give you the advantage. I'm not allowed to loot any chests this whole entire match.
If
All right,
I
and I'm
lose-
gonna give you.
If I lose, I'm
All right,
officially a pleb.
And I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to loot. 5, 4, 3.
Wait, how many chests are there on this
2.
map? Oh, a diamond, dude! A diamond sword and a diamond leggings. Ah.
Oh yeah, by the way,
How are
yeah,
you
your
here?
hands up.
How are you here? How are you here? How are you here? Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away!
Bro, if you actually, bro, if you were full out fighting, then you probably could have won that because I was at like 2 cards after you smacked me 2 times.
Dude, I turned around when you say 0, and I'm like, wait, what? And then I just started super squeaky mode. And my eyes, and my brain was like, activate super squeaky mode.
Oh.
Yes. Bro, I got a diamond! I got a diamond chest plate!
I'm sorry. I killed myself. Alright, dude, this match I'm literally going to give you like 2 seconds to loot up.
That's actually unfair.
1, 2. Alright, I'm already at mid and I'm rushing you.
Well, I have a diamond on the sword and I'm gonna die. What is this? A potion of regen. I regen hearts now. Oh, wait, no, that was just to heal. Gosh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm simply dead. I died to full damage.
Oh, my sword. Bro,
Wait, I didn't die to you. I died to full damage.
damage.
I decided to kill myself. Okay, can you actually give me time to loot?
Okay, bro, I comboed you so hard that you died to fall damage.
No, I jumped off the edge.
And I gave you the little push, which was what you needed to actually commit die.
Okay, can you actually give me time to loot, though?
I'll give you 0.2 milliseconds more.
What the hell, man? What are you doing to me?
Oh, never mind, you get no more time, because I died. Because, bro, I tried to jump to the mid-platform, and then I smacked my head on the air.
Nice. Okay, can you actually give me time to loot, though? Because this is actually unfair.
And then I got a bump on my head, and then I wobbled over, and then I fell, and then my...
Okay, can I actually... Can you actually give me time to loot, though? Because I'm a noob.
Yeah, and then I straight up lost the grip on my feet nails, so I died.
What? What did he say?
I said that I lost the grip on my feet nails. Everybody has nails on their feet, right?
Yeah, but, like... Eh?
Yeah, I was gripping onto the ledge with my literal nails.
Why?
I don't know, bro. I was about to die, bro. I was dangling off of a cliff. How do you think I know I got there? By being stupid? No. Well, yeah, but no.
Loot this... Ooh, fire aspect.
Oh, you just went into the chest that I just looted, but I didn't take the
I'm
fire
behind
aspect
you!
sword because my sword had-
Was that actually purposely?
Yes. What do you think do you think I turned and jumped off a cliff by accident?
Yes.
No. Well,
Yes,
maybe.
in fact I do.
Well, then that is a correct assumption, but it is wrong.
What? Huh? I don't
That is... Well, how many reading responses do you have?
I don't even know.
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm serious, I don't even know.
I need to do like 4 reading responses a day.
Rip, I only have to... Dude, I get 1 on Monday and 1 on Wednesdays. And you died.
Yeah, welcome to the store.
Can you get us something?
No. You have candies here and stuff.
Okay.
I got you something extra, puppy. You can get candy every day.
I don't want any candy. I want a drink.
You have drink.
I want like Arizona.
No, you don't need anything.
Dude,
You're
gonna beat
acting
you.
like the person you're talking to right now is a freaking maid.
what?
Yeah. I like that friend of yours.
I mean, I'm speaking
Yeah.
facts here. I
I'm
know
gonna-
that my commenters will agree.
That's his mom he's talking to. You see that?
Are you serious?
Yes.
She wants some tea.
No.
I'll take tea. I'll take tea. I'll take some tea.
Alright.
Do you William, do you actually not like tea?
No, I don't, actually.
Frick you. I don't like every type of tea, but I like most types of tea.
Yeah, I like one type of tea, and it's called iced tea.
Okay, that's good, but like, I'm pretty sure that doesn't even count as a real tea.
But it has tea in the name, so yes, it does. It has to. I almost just died, but I just clutched because I'm a pro gamer.
I just took a fire aspect. William, I have
I
a
just
fire
took-
aspect.
You have fire aspect? I would appreciate it if I did not throw that ball on the floor because that is quite OP. That does 2 arts of damage.
Enemy
Yeah,
fire,
waste them
get
on me.
recovered.
Yeah. Yeah. I tried to block, but then I forgot to place the block.
How do you do that? That's the entire point of rock clutching.
It's like, no, I just jumped and I was looking at the little outline of the block and I was like, wait, what do I do now? I was like, wait, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do when I'm trying to block punch? And then as I'm falling into the void, I'm like, oh, I was supposed to place a block there.
How do you forget that? This is the thing about you, William. You forget the most bizarre. You forget things so bizarrely, like the most obvious things you manage to forget. That's the bizarre thing about you.
Bro, it's because I'm a 10-year-old with the IQ of a -2.
Nice. I don't think
That's just
I
how
asked.
smart. That just proves how intensely smart I am.
I know, right?
I'm the type of person to go and adopt me and then just join to say smiles cutely.
That's literally every RP here. Well, not me, because me is actually intelligent and doesn't do that.
Yeah, but it's me we're talking about. Of course I'm gonna do that, bro. Did you really just dodge like my whole entire
gas! I want to step on the gas! Ah!
Bro, you turn into your favorite character. Sonic the Hedgehog!
Yeah. Ow. Stop.
You died.
Stop.
How?
I don't even know. Yeah. William, I don't even know.
I smack you like 40 times and you take negative 2 blocks and then you smack me one time.
William. I turned around because I was about to
What?
grab my leggings. You were trying to kill me, so I turned around. I hit you once, and you went like 10 blocks.
Wait, bro. Like, how?
By being good.
Oh, no, are familiar butt cheeks.
What the hell is wrong with you? What the hell is actually wrong with you? Do you have obesity?
Wait, bro. Wait, dude. That's actually like a song that like a kid in my class made because they sit in the back of the class and then that's all they see every day. They sit in the very back. They sit in the last row.
I'm also in the last row. You like how I just
Lucky,
turned
I used to be in the last row.
You like how
Wait,
just,
bro, I
you like
tried
how I
to-
just
did-
turned
did
into
you change
Sonic the
seats?
actual hedgehog?
Yeah. But dude, did you change seats too?
Wait, what's the point of giving me Prot 1 diamond armor in a chest if we spawn with Prot 1 diamond armor? Ow. Frick you.
You spawn with Prot 1 diamond armor, but since I have sharpness 2 on my sword, I don't.
Wait, what?
Wait, I probably shouldn't have said that. Can you not dodge every last thing that...
Why'd you jump off?
Bro, I missed every single thing. I can't. I refuse to live. I refuse to live for any longer, bro.
Why?
After, like, you straight up dodge everything, bro, I bet you that if I had a bow with a max inventory of arrows, I wouldn't hit one shot.
Probably. Just because your aim is so bad.
2 shots.
I have a regen pot.
Oh my gosh, dude, I just got the best spawn loot ever, and then my sword decides to disappear out of my inventory.
You like I just bonked you?
Okay, but dude, my sword just straight up disappeared out of my inventory after I put something on it. And now it's glitched. Or, you know, it's not. Wait, dude. I have a question for you.
What?
I will give you everything on my spawn island if you give me like a couple of XP pots, because that's what I need right now.
Oh, I have 12 XP pots on me right now.
Can I have them and I'll give you all my stuff, please? Look, I'm right here. Dude. Come on, this is a truce, and I promise you that I will not attack you. Look, I'm right here. Give me some of your XP, please. Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
alright, now don't attack me because I just want to upgrade this.
I already ran from your base with my one of my speed pots. With one of them, not even my. Okay.
Hey, but dude, if in case you like die, or in this case when you die, do not look at the name of the weapon that killed you, because you will be scarred for life.
Oh no! I think I should be scared.
Yeah, you should. And the sword right here, it's coming for your booty cheeks. That's the hint that I'll give you.
I'm looking for one of my speed pots.
Heck no!
What did you just
Wait, look
kill?
at what you died to. What is that? It said using club, bro. I named the sword Booty Clapper.
What? Dude, I'm still recording! I'm still recording! William, I'm recording! William!
Wait, you're recording?
Wait, Mattel, you're here?
Yeah, I was here all this time.
Since when was he here?
Since when were you here? You literally just joined.
I've been here this whole time, man. I don't know what you're talking about.
Bro,
So you've
silent.
just been listening to me and William rant about me making a Minecraft video and him just doing the most awkward random stuff you can ever do in all of humanity.
Yep.
Fuck.
And by the way, Mateo, I have to say, good job for getting that like stupid thing at school.
He wanted to be in a
Bro, listen, like my sister, after she found out how short you are, bro, she was straight up laughing for like 30 minutes straight. I'm sorry, but straight up.
I say
Wait,
your brother on fire.
But literally, we literally got timed. Like, it was like a bomb ticking.
Yeah, I know. That's how it is. That's how it works. I don't know why, but like that's how it works.
Like, it goes by so quick, like, 5, 4. So I just took a Bakugan card.
Ah!
Bakugan.
Wait, Mateo, you want to join us?
L, no.
Well, I was getting tired, so I was like, I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna pick it up.
Wait. Am I allowed to say booty clapper while you're recording?
No! That's the second time you've said it!
Booty clapper, clapper booty of a booty clapper, clappy
I
of booty.
hate you!
No, just edit it out of the video. Wait. Yes, I'm
You
gonna
got
make
four
it.
I
minutes.
don't know how to edit things out of a video.
It's simple. Edit.
Stupid.
It's
Taylor, I
simple.
don't you even
edit.
know how to edit in the first place. Like, I don't know effects.
Well, viewers, do
It's
not
still
complain
edit.
about me saying that, because if you do, then you are. No, I really have no good reason for you not to. So if you want to, then go ahead. But like, just please don't. There's no good reason that they should not report that, but just don't, please.
I will kill you with my Diamondo axe.
What kind of diamond axe? I mean,
Actually, no, I'm
What
not
did
gonna
you-
kill you with my efficiency 2 diamond axe. I'm gonna kill you with my diamond sword with kind of fire aspect 1.
well, little thing you know, I have.
Died.
Well, little thing you know, I have water, so that won't work on me. Never mind, I no longer have water because the second I try to place it, it just disappeared out of my inventory because that's how good what you call Hypixel is.
I just placed water and just picked it back up. Dude, I have like 2 FPS because of my dude, hold up, wait, William, stop, wait for a second, wait, seriously, stop for a second.
I'm just smacking you with my.
Wait,
I know,
William,
bro,
stop,
just smacking you
seriously,
with
stop.
my
I have to take
head.
off my resource pack. I'm actually lagging so hard. Stop, I'm gonna die.
Oh no, you're not gonna die, bro. I'm smacking you with a fishing rod.
That's gonna kill me. It's
What are you gonna-
froze. Minecraft's not responding. Mayday. Guys, that'll be it for the video. I can't exit Minecraft. No, this would be the ending of the video. Oh, bye guys.